con the VMware, what's occurred there, have you actually seen an uptake in your business, more so in continental Europe than the UK? Because, you know, to the people that are going to watch this, are based in the UK. How has that affected your business?
I mean, I'm in a business since '97. So, and to be honest, and I worked for different companies, not, you know, before even Euronas. I've never seen this in my whole life. I must say, it's, you know, it's not it's not a growth, it's explosion. It just exploded, because everybody was really, you had several types of customers. So you, of course, some of those customers were price driven, because suddenly you didn't have a perpetual license, you needed to subscribe. And the other thing was, many people just got mad because, you know, it's not they don't see it as a very nice way to treat a customer. If someone, you know, someone tells you, no, you are not doing it this way, you are doing it that way, how I like it. I mean, it usually, I see it, the customer should be a king. So the customer should decide what needs to be done with the product, or how the product should be. And here I see it as a blackmail almost of a customer. So, and many people saw this as a blackmail. And even if they were happy with the feature set, we have, for example, many MSPs, you know, internet cloud providers, who say, okay, you still lack some functionality, but we are willing to wait, and we are willing to collaborate and work with you together. So we have orders for our product even before the features are there. Usually, as a software manufacturer, you develop a product and you hope that someone will buy it. Here you have a opposite effect. People want to buy the product before you finished it. You know, it's really very strange. Yeah.
How would you sum up Euronas in one sentence?
Making complex storage and virtualization simple. So,
and from a virtualization perspective, what makes Euronas different?
The Euronas is based on a KVM open source hypervisor. But the problem with this is, if you get the standard hypervisor and download it from the internet, it's still filled with the command line. And whichever open source solution you would usually take, it's far too complex for the normal system administrator. And it's okay if you have fun on Linux and you're doing it, but the standard system administrator wants to do his job first. So his priority is to get, let's say, his databases working and make his boss happy, and not, you know, do the Linux stuff. So from that perspective, I think that's our strongest point, and taking the complexity out of it and making it at a reasonable price. Because, of course, VMware is still a great solution, but it's just expensive.